Are you forgetting this critical muscle? When we think about staying strong and avoiding pain, we usually focus on the obvious muscles, abs, biceps, or maybe the back. But there's one crucial muscle that many people overlook, the psoas. This deep core muscle plays a central role in posture, stability, and movement, and forgetting about it could be the missing link in your pain or stiffness. The psoas, pronounced so as, connects the lower spine to the top of the thigh bone. It's the only muscle that links your upper body to your lower body. Every time you walk, run, sit, or stand, your psoas is involved. Yet, because it's hidden deep inside the body, it often gets ignored in exercise routines and stretching programs. So, why is the psoas so critical? First, it stabilizes your spine and pelvis. A tight or weak psoas can throw off your entire posture, leading to lower back pain, hip discomfort, and even issues with your knees or feet. When this muscle isn't functioning properly, your body compensates in other ways, which often leads to strain and imbalance elsewhere. One of the biggest problems is that modern life weakens the psoas. Sitting for long hours, at work, in the car, or on the couch, keeps the psoas in a shortened, inactive position. Over time, this creates tightness and weakness. The result? You might feel stiff when standing up, struggle with hip mobility, or experience persistent lower back pain that no amount of massage or chiropractic care seems to fix. Another sign your psoas might be causing trouble is a forward-tilted pelvis or an exaggerated arch in the lower back. These postural issues are often signs of imbalance deep within the core, and the psoas is frequently the culprit. So, what can you do? Stretch it. Gentle psoas stretches, like a kneeling hip flexor stretch, can help lengthen the muscle and reduce tension. Strengthen it. Engage in exercises that target the deep core, like leg raises or bridges with proper pelvic alignment. Move more. Avoid sitting for long periods. Take breaks to stand, walk, and stretch throughout the day. Check your posture. Whether standing or sitting, keep your spine neutral and your hips level. Most people don't realize the impact the psoas has on their body until they begin to focus on it. But once you do, the results can be powerful. Improved flexibility, better posture, and reduced pain are just some of the benefits. Don't let this hidden muscle go unnoticed. If you've been stretching, strengthening, and treating your back without results, it might be time to ask, are you forgetting the psoas? It could be the critical missing piece in your journey to a stronger, pain-free body.